So when you're ready to print, what you need to do, I've got this paper here, so we're going to use this paper. Get your card out, and you basically need to grab it, make sure this is facing that way, and you swipe it like this, okay? The computer will, the printer will come on, but you basically swipe it like this. Now I'm staff, so I just tap it, but however, it's just come on, which is great. So when you want to print, what you need to do is you need to click on which one you want to print and print it. I've got this paper, so I'm going to put it into a tray. So I'm going to put it into tray 2 because it's A3. I'm just going to put that in, okay? Close that up, and then I'm going to select the one I want to print. So I'm going to select Hussein, who's filming at the moment. I'm just going to print that. And now that's going through, so give it a bit of time. If your document's a little bit on the large size, it might take a little bit of time. So now that's printing through. Okay, I'm going to print this one maybe as well. Print that. And I might print another one as well, so I'll print the whole lot, okay? So now I've printed those, I'm going to go to Use Device Functions, and I'm going to go to Copy. And what I want to do is I want to do some inverting as well. So if you want to photocopy, you click on Copy, okay? So you click on Copy. And here's what I've just printed. It came out really well, so that's come out really well. But what I want to do is I want to invert that. So I'm going to put that into the photocopier. Make sure it's right to the edge. Close your lid. And I'm going to go to here. I'm going to go to Edit Color. And I'm going to go to Image Edit. So I've gone to Text and Photo, Image Edit, Edit Color. And here you've got negative, positive, centering, double copies, image repeat. So if I click on positive, negative, press OK, start that. What I should get is something slightly different. Okay, so A3. Yep, so photocopying, edit color, select that one, okay that, start. You've got to click on A3 in order to do it. And that's coming through now. Now what I've got is this. Okay, so this is black and white. I'm going to go back to this. And I'm going to click on Edit Color. And I might do color this time, and I might do adjust color, this one here, and I might knock this down a little bit. So you just basically do that. I might fiddle around with a few of these. Press OK. You can always press OK. You can go to adjust color as well. You can change the cyan. You can change the red. It's a bit like what you do in Photoshop. I'm going to go to quality. I'm just going to not play around with this again. Press OK. Start. And let's see what it does this time. Okay, so that's come out, and there's a slightly different variation. It is black and white, but there is a few more variations on that as well. I'm going to go to, again, color select, and I'm going to go to finishing, image adjustment, and I'm going to select, oh no, it's not letting me do that one now. So I'm going to go to erase border, and I'm going to go in a little bit. Press OK, start that, let's see what that does. So I would like you to go to photo and text, and photo. So photo and text, go to edit color, go to these settings and actually play around with them, okay? So these are the settings which I would like you to have a go at, guys. I'm sort of just fiddling now, so you need to sort of kind of like, you know, sort of invert it, for example. You can also change the auto density here as well, and press print. So there you go. So I've changed the color of that a little bit more. Okay guys, so to print you need your card, you swipe it, it'll come on, and then you basically print through your work. Any questions, please post. If your card does not work, what you need to do is go to the library and say, my card, I need it reprinting because I cannot print. They will print you a new card, and then you will be able to print. Okay? Any questions, please email Mo or go to IT, go to library to get your card re-sorted. Thank you.